leaving Monroeville, and I completed section 8 of the Northern Tier last night. Stayed in the Monroeville biking little thing there, which is really amazing. I had a little trouble getting in because my maps are a little old, so the number I was supposed to call to get access to the place was disconnected because the guy passed away. But a little girl showed me where the place was, and the number to call was on that place, so it all worked out. There was another cyclist there. His name was Donnie. Super nice guy, and we hung out all night last night and shared our stories. And he has a ALS, runs in his family, and he decided he's just gonna not work so much and explore and travel while he can. It was pretty inspirational. So that was great. He was super nice, and we probably stayed up way too late last night chatting till 11. But he's heading the opposite direction. He's going to stay at the little park I went through yesterday, which was really nice. But yeah, we're going to keep in touch and see how our days are going. But he stayed at that place for a couple of days because since he's going west, he would have hit those headwinds that I enjoyed yesterday that were my tailwinds. And so today it's supposed to be windless. That's good for both of us. I'm heading into Ohio today. My goal is Bowling Green. Have no idea how far it is. I think it's about 90 miles. And then tomorrow, heading into Sandusky and going to Cedar Point on Wednesday and Thursday. So good plan. So yeah, Monroeville is very pleasant, and it was nice to meet another cyclist. This is only the second time that I stayed somewhere where there was another cyclist there, so it was great. Alright, so starting my long day to Bowling Green, and I will catch you later. Yay! I just crossed into Ohio, and there's a lady unloading her bike. She's doing Northern Tier 2. She took a picture of me next to the Ohio sign. So awesome. Another state into Ohio. It's more corn. I almost forgot my glasses on the back of my bike again. That would have been bad. Alright, got my glasses back on. Like, she has a support car, so all of her stuff somebody's taking with them on that side, and she just needs to ride her bicycle. So that's nice. Having an unloaded bike is really nice. So Ohio, I have Ohio, Pennsylvania, a little tiny bit of Pennsylvania, New York, and then Massachusetts. It's getting so close. I'm gonna enjoy the route's gonna take me to more populated areas for a while, so it's gonna be nice. Plus tomorrow I get to Sandusky. It's gonna be a short day, and then I'm taking Wednesday and Thursday off to go to Cedar Point. Yay! So yeah, weather's beautiful today. My friend Donnie must be enjoying his ride going west without the wind. Yeah, I don't have any wind really. So it's really sunny though, but I kind of make my own breeze, so I still feel cool. It's not humid. I still can see the dew on the grass from last night. More farmland from Ohio. A few years ago, I did the Ohio to Erie Trail, and I'm going to be passing through the start of that trail in a couple of days, probably Friday. So it's kind of like a circle for me. So yeah, so if I see anything else cool, I'll turn on the camera. I'm coming into Bowling Green, which is my destination for the day. A lot of big houses squished together here. Not sure what they do. But once I get into town proper, take a look and see where my motel is. Good morning. So, I'm leaving my comfy motel in Bowling Green and heading back to the route here. Should hit it here pretty soon. And the goal today is Huron, which I think is about 70 miles. I didn't do the calculation, but I'm doing pretty good at just looking at the map and seeing how many panels fly by to see how far the day is. But I think it's 70, but when I get a chance, I will calculate it. Had a good breakfast at the hotel. I have 2 bottles of water. I'm just gonna rely on stopping at a convenience store. There's a couple of towns on the route heading out of town, so I'm sure there's some place to go. It's a nice cool morning today. It's supposed to be sunny again. I've really lucked out with really nice weather on this trip. Looks like it's gonna be sunny until Friday. Friday is when I leave after my off days to go back on my trip. So it's like a 40% chance of rain. So it might get rained on Friday, but we'll see. So I'm 2,933 miles into the trip, so at 67 miles today I'm gonna stop and take a picture because that's 3,000 miles. Oh my god, so far. So yeah, that's what's going on today. If you see something cool, turn the camera on as usual. I'll catch you later.